Let's go, hikey. Come on. Come on. Dix, come.
Dixie, come.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you'd have a headache you'd never forget there, little girl.
There's Mike. Getting some good pics. Wow. Okay, this is hiked from West Fork Pass down to Wetterhorn Basin. Not a difficult hike. I think it might be more difficult going back.